have one, people. Stand up. Wind him in. Yeah, Wendall gets. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another adventure. You don't know it's your boy Nigel. We're out here again. So today we are here on another fishing adventure. We're gonna see if we can catch some fish. We're gonna see if we can do some cooking. And we also have a guest here with us to do some fishing as well, all the way from England.
England. Mr. Wendall here.
Yeah.
Again, blessing your screen, because we're here to do a bit of fishing, aren't we? And maybe see some crocodiles. I've done my hard work, mate, so now we're going to have a nice relaxing. You're going to fish and catch and cook, and it's going to be like a holiday for me. It's going to be great.
Alright. So, want to stay tuned and watch the process. So we're there right at the crocodile spot. We're going to see if we see the crocodile. Because you don't know, say crocodile normally there out here, so we're going to cross the road. So right out here, so we spot the tilapia and the river fish, them always the grunt. The tilapia are purge, yeah, river purge. So we're gonna see if we see none right here. So but me I gotta go on my regular spot, go do some fishing. Me look if I see none of them in the water. But me not see any. Right in a mangrove, yes, there's a whole heap of tilapia and fish with there right here, so but it look like none of them that they out today. So so one man over here, so in a crocodile water, people.
Can't be any big crocodiles out if those guys are out wading in the water.
Yeah, it's big crocodile this year. See these guys in the crocodile water.
It's shallow, man.
Yeah, it's shallow. Look really shallow. But that guy have a fish gun.
A croc gun?
Yeah. Just in case he see a crocodile, he can defend himself. Yeah, that is it.
I think you need a machine gun.
Alright, so we're going to continue from our journey now and go up on our fishing spot, so stay tuned. All I can say, them man they out there saying that water brave. They look like them love for them life. Because me not want to go in that water. Me have to have a boat or a canoe to go out there. So I'm see crocodile in the water already.
You wouldn't go up to your knees in that water?
No, and I saw a crocodile in the water already. So that's why I wouldn't go in the water, because I know that crocodile is out there. If I never see any crocodile out there before, I would do it.
Hang on. But you call them crocodiles?
Yeah.
But they're not crocodiles, are they?
They're alligators.
They're alligators.
Yeah.
See? And alligators are scared. They're even scared of you, Nigel. You can go in there, you'll be fine.
I scare them first, so
it's all a matter of mentality, mate.
Oh.
Yeah? If you make them scared of you, and then you win.
Okay, so we have to make them scared of us. You hear that?
Yeah.
Right. So come in. Seaside. Yeah, we reach from the seaside now. I have to put on my hat, because you don't know, say the sun well hot. So we have to have a hat. But look at it. Right from the seaside. You have some fishermen around that side here. But we are going right round where them rock there. You're right on the rock side we are going, alright? So now watch the process. Believe as the fisherman. Alright, so I have my fishing rod and reel. Yeah. I have one. I think I go through the spoon to see if I can hook up any jack or any type of fish on the spoon. But you don't know we have a bait already. We have the shrimp. We can't leave out the shrimp. And we have some sprat or chopong cut bait what we are going to use today. So Wendall, we're going to see if he can catch some fish today. See him round the back there forward. See him down the sea line there forward. Yeah. So one do a catch and cook. You don't know how the thing go already. So if we catch something, we'll cook it right on the seaside. No joke about it. And yeah, sun well hot. But we're not going to watch the process. Believe.
Bit of off-roading, mate.
A little
A
off-roading.
little off-road.
Yeah. This is where we do our fishing. On
You come
the
here all
rock.
the time?
Yeah, I come here a lot. This is my favorite spot to do fishing. Alright, so this is our little hut right here.
Is this Nigel Cave?
Yeah, this is Nigel Cave right here.
Airbnb?
Yeah, this
How
is
much
the
a night?
Airbnb. So this is where you're gonna stay for the night.
That's okay, it's better than the normal places.
Yeah.
Bit of shelter,
Mhm.
bit of bush tucker hopefully,
Yeah.
and a sea breeze and a sea view.
So you don't need no fan, no AC. The breeze. Only thing you're gonna need is mosquito repellent.
Do I need that now?
Not now. When
What
it
time
gets,
do I need it? Because I came prepared, look.
you came prepared.
Jungle formula, mate.
Yes. No
For the
man.
beach jungle.
Yeah. Alright, so we're there here on the spot now, people. So we reach. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna set up a line and we hook and start do some fishing. Look at that. Look now, man. Hope so we catch some fish but we can cook. Alright? Watch the process. So the last time I came here, this is where we did the roast fish. You can see the coals right there.
That's from you cooking.
Yeah, that's from we cooking.
Nice.
We build up a wood fire.
Nature's oven.
Yeah, nature oven. So that's where, if we catch any fish, that's where we're gonna be
Yep.
doing our
Protected
cooking.
from the wind.
Yeah,
Keeps the
protected
heat.
from.
Yeah.
That's correct.
Not that I know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, you're talking the right thing, man.
I'm
You're
trying
talking
to
the right
sound
thing.
like I know what I'm talking
Yeah, you're talking the right stuff, man. So prevent the wind from blowing, and it just all the heat are right in that little spot.
about. Nice.
Our little oven right there, our outdoor oven, right?
Right on.
So we're gonna set up our line, bait, and hook. So line I'm gonna set up right now. I get this rod and reel to Wendall
Yes, sir.
to use. So we're gonna see if him can catch some fish. We're just gonna show him how to do it.
Yeah, I mean, I still won't catch any fish. But
Let's see. No think you might gonna catch any fish, people? Comment it down below. Make we know.
I'd like to see the comments. Put a timestamp on your comment as well. Like, when did you decide how far into the video that I was absolutely clueless fishing? Like at the start, did you know? I don't know.
Yeah, let us know.
The secret's out now. I think I've caught like one mackerel in my life.
Yeah, mackerel, that's in England, right?
Yeah.
Here in Jamaica, like, we have to go deep sea to catch those type of fish.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Like right here, you wouldn't catch like a mackerel. Right?
Well, they like cold water, don't they?
Huh?
Mackerel like cooler water, I think,
Yeah.
yeah. It's too warm, too shallow here.
Yeah, too shallow. Because mackerel is a fast swimming fish.
Yeah.
They go pretty fast. So like when you go deep sea and like trolling, you will catch mackerel.
Trawling. What do we think about trawling? Scraping the ocean's floor like those mega trawlers.
Yeah.
I don't agree with that. This is how you should fish, mate.
No, but when we troll, we put our bait in the water like this.
Oh, maybe I'm thinking of like
Yeah.
the huge ocean trawlers. Yeah.
No. So when we troll, we like let this go in the water and the boat continue driving.
Ah, okay,
So
yeah.
the
just single man
mackerel,
trawler, I got
the
you.
mackerel will see this shiny, nice
Yeah.
bait and attack it,
Yeah,
and then you will get hooked.
yeah.
Yeah. So that's our type of trolling.
Mate, I'm going to put mosquito stuff on right now because I think 6 o'clock darkness is a Jamaican mosquito time, but for an Englishman in Jamaica, they can sense my fear already. I'm going to repellent up. I'm taking over your video, mate.
Yeah, man. As a fisherman.
Yeah.
So we're there out here do the fishing. So we have a shrimp them, you know. We're gonna
Yep.
put on the line.
Yep.
The window. Throw out a sea.
You're going to teach me to cast all over again because I'm crap at casting. I'm crap at fishing in general.
Oh. We're gonna show
Oh,
you
look, see, I do things like that. Look, I'll get it cut on. See, it's all falling apart now, I mean.
Right. The thing now, we forgot the knife in the car.
Are we going to go back up to the car?
Yeah, look like we have to go back up to your car, but we're gonna use our hand little first.
You got that thing now, yeah?
So we got the shrimp. This is when you forget your knife or
Just pull
your
it
tool.
apart.
Yeah, pull it apart. We're gonna put on the bait now. Just like that.
Nice and secure.
Yeah.
You ever double hook it?
Yeah, sometimes we double hook it.
If you got a small one, skinny one.
We don't want the fish them just eat off the bait.
Yeah, just a free snack.
Yeah.
Nobody gets to eat for free.
No.
Everyone has to pay the price.
I have to pay the price. So we double hook it and bring it back through. Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna cast it out, let you see how we do it.
Yeah, we'll film you first, mate. You get a third person perspective today, mate.
Yeah.
Now you hired a cameraman. I'll invoice you later, yeah? My fee's high. Don't get me. Am I too close?
Right. So what we do, I have the bail right here. So you're gonna use like this hand, use this finger.
Yep. Flip it,
open
I remember,
the
yeah.
bail, then you cast, you let go.
Then pull tight.
Yeah. Then
Yeah.
you hold with your hand like this.
Yeah. And when you feel the pinch,
Yeah, when you feel a pinch,
it's time to
start
fight.
Yeah, start to reel in. So we're not getting any pickers yet. So we are wait for it, people. We are wait for them. We don't feel them as yet.
Often how long till it takes to bite? Quick?
As you sometimes as you throw it out, they start to bite. Yes, I was just waiting for them. So we're gonna let you take over this one. Yeah, just hold that till you feel like something like dragging it.
A fight.
Yeah, you fight it. Alright, so what I'm gonna do here now, I'm gonna set up the next line and put on some bait on the next line. Okay, done set up already. So we're gonna put on some bait and cast it out there. Watch the process. How is it? You feel any as yet?
Nah, just waves.
Just waves. Alright, I'm not getting a pick as yet.
When you know, you know.
Yeah.
Love at first bite.
It's a lover's first bite. Alright, so I'm gonna chew up my line here now. Watch the process. We're gonna go up here, so. Out a deep. So we are going to know, we are waiting for the fish now. We are get picked. So that's a good sign. So we are there now, we are waiting for a fish now to bite the line. Remember, you know, guys, this is all about fishing now. This is what we have to do. Cast the line and then wait. Remember, you know, we're not a spearman, because spear fisherman them when them go see, them shoot what them see or shoot what them want. But when we are through a line, we have to take what we get most of the time. Because if them little bit, we are going to throw them back still, not gonna lie. Wendall over this side, I wait for a fish to bite. And I have 2 beers. Look like a fisherman over there, so he get tied up by seaweed. We have one, people. Him not get hook. Seaweed. Alright, so the tip is always got the bail this right
Facing
here. Yeah.
On same.
Facing the rod. Your
Yeah.
finger there.
Yeah.
So if you use a right hand or use your right hand with your
Right
finger
tip.
there. No.
Okay.
Your right
so
hand.
I'm right-handed, so do
Yeah.
that.
So yeah, just like that.
Yeah.
Then you're gonna release the bail.
Like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
All the way. Then
Yeah.
then you're gonna bring it back to you. So like this, all of the bait and the line go
Yeah.
behind you.
Yeah.
Like put it behind you, so when you
Yeah.
come in front now, and when you almost reach in front, you let go this finger
Yeah, sure.
and it go out.
And then what's the best technique? Is it slow back and then
Yeah.
forward?
As it almost reach in front, you let go and
Yeah.
it goes straight. So you just pull,
Yeah.
fling. Let's see how you do it now. Put it back, yeah. Alright.
Like that.
Yeah, fling forward. Remember, when you almost reach in front, you let go your finger. Yeah, that's good, that's good. Then you close back the bail. Close back the bail, yeah. You wind it in, reel it in a little. Just tighten it. Okay, that's it, that's it. Then you hold it with your finger, yeah. Good job. Yeah, man. As a fisherman.
I'm a fisherman.
Believe. So back to the line. Oh, that's sea. That is it. Watch the process. This time is a big fish are coming. Find a little cool shade right here, so. Right here, so sun well hot, you know. So you can always find a little spot where you can hide from the sun. You get me? That's why I have the hot
Yeah, I
here.
need to hide from the sun.
You need to hide from the sun. Yeah.
I'm going over there.
Are you going over that spot? Be right behind that big rock, right beside that big rock. Just watch your line. As I saying, if we catch even one fish, we're good. I remember, you know, and I sell we sell it, you know. We do it for the fun and the sport and to cook it. So if we catch 1, 2 or 3, it's a good day. But we get some pics, so we are wait for something get hook. We don't just want them to just eat off a bait, because we're not comfy. Give them free. Right. When it looks slack, you just wind it up. Just make it a stick.
Give it some tightness, yeah.
Yeah, give it some tightening. As a fisherman. Alright, we get some picking up people. Watch out. Hold on. Watch out. Yeah, man, you feel something, man. Look how me I go grab him here now. Oh! You got it?
Yeah.
You got him?
Wind it in.
Yeah, wind it in. Stand up. Wind him in. Yeah, Wendall, get something. Go on up there, go on. Him not there, him not stop. Him come off. Wind it in. Reel it in. Oh. Alright.
No.
Get away.
Oh.
Ja.
Oh, he got the bait.
Yeah, man, you get the bait.
Oh,
And
see, a lot of time I get the bite, but I don't get the fish.
Yeah.
Oh, fucking hell.
Ja star.
I tried.
Yeah, man, you try. We're going to beat up and try again.
Yeah.
May I feel some pick on that one here. Alright, so this is what I'm going to do now, people. I'm going to change them hook here. Because I think them hook here too big. We have some smaller version. But we are going to use. We're going to use them one here instead. Change from them big one here. Yeah, we're going to use them here. Yeah, believe no, man. Watch the process. So we're going to set up a line with them here and throw back out there. Because we have to catch some fish today now. We have to catch at least one fish. Believe, as a fisherman. So I change the hook and put on some smaller hooks. Now we are put on the bait now. My knife. Forget my knife, so I have to break the bait with my hand. But take off the shell. Right, so double hook it. I like to expose the point of the hook as well. Yeah. Right now, this would be nice if I did have like some bait thread. I think one of my friends did have some bait threads. A subscriber did link me up. So I have some bait threads. I give me one. But yeah, so I'm gonna put it on. Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna put it on here now. My G, me soon link you. Hold on. So we are go a little spot right just so we have. And cast out the work again. Watch the process. Alright, so I cast out the line, you know. Now we just wait for the fish to bite it, you know. Forget hook. You see it? The general way link me about the bait thread. Soon show it and link up feet. You hear that? Believe. But there you try to see if we can catch at least one fish. If we catch a fish still now, we don't know how we are going to gut him or scale him because we don't have no knife. Right? Go and watch the process. Wendall put on him bait. And I go cast out. And I drink him beer.
I'm really here for the beer.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes, no man.
The good thing about here though, you see there's loads of holes to put your beer in.
Yeah.
Beer holder.
Yeah, beer holders.
Yeah. That's just beer holder.
Yes, no man. Then I go cast out him line, you know.
Right, so I want it.
Yeah, just remember, just bring.
So bring that over.
No, not as yet.
Yeah, bring it round.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah.
Use your finger, hold it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then pull the bail.
Yeah.
Then put
Cast, then pull the bow back, then top it.
As a fisherman, look at that.
Is that good?
Yeah, man.
Double?
Yeah, double hook
deuce.
it. Yeah.
And then shall I just use the body or do you want the head and everything? The head's
No,
going to come off.
Yeah, the head's gonna come off anyway. Real fisherman, you know, people. Know him thing, you know. Look at that. Double hook it.
There she is.
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
Fish dead, you know. Sandfly them start attack me. So you know me I go for the bug spray. Cause me have to get rid of them here. Them fly here. Can't make them eat me alive. And me not catch no fish yet.
Nigel, mate.
See fish here?
Give me a beer while you're over there.
See the bait there? No, me have to put bait. I must get that spray. Alright, now I'm ready now. Let's spray them off now. Alright? Believe. I'm gonna catch a fish right now. This time, when I reel in back my line, is a fish. I gotta be on it.
Straight in.
Yeah.
Bang.
Out there.
There you go.
A big fish are coming right here now, no lock in. Watch how I go on here now.
Snapper.
A big snapper, that you say I want to catch one big snapper.
Straight away.
Alright. I think one dip on it. I think me catch one. Hold on, let me see what I go on. No, him not dip on him. Oh, what? Yeah, him dip on him, one little beanie one. Ja, one snapper. We catch a small snapper. Remember a snapper you say you want, you know?
Told you.
Yeah. I tell you, so me I go catch a fish, you know. But I never tell you what size of fish me I go catch. But I tell you when I reel it in, I go reel in a fish. But I didn't tell you guys what size fish. But I catch a fish. Look at that. Nice snapper. But we're going to let him go back. For him grow bigger so I can come back and catch him again. Alright? You're a lucky fish.
Sometimes it pays to be small.
Yeah, yeah. Sometimes it's space to be small. Can you get to be free again? Alright, so when I go there now, this time, one big snapper I go catch. For the same bait here, I even put on no more bait to it. Alright, this time is a big fish. This time is a keeper fish. Keeper fish this time. Water. This one gonna be a big one. As I said, I'm gonna catch a fish. I catch one. I never say size. I should have said what size fish I did catch. But I did thought the size probably would have catch the size when I say. I tell myself I'm gonna catch a fish and I catch one. So this time I'm gonna catch one 3-pound snapper. Here, a 5-pound snapper this time. 5 pound. Alright? So watch the process. Look at that. Alright, so the thing we're gonna go on now. We not catch no fish. All I fish them. I don't know what go on today. Normally would have like a whole heap of pelican, old Joe bird, a dive off of that spot here. But none of the here today. No one left because no seaweed. Not upon the beach side like it normally would be, but when I catch some fish, the only thing I catch is that little baby snapper there. You don't know, say when I keep the little beanie fish, then we have to let them go back, right? So we're gonna head out of here. I bring back Wendall back to Kingston, and then call it a night. All right? So big up on yourself. I say go with fishing. Every day is a fishing day, but it's not every day is a catching day. You get me? People, normally I would catch fish right here, so, but I feel like Wendall make we not catch no fish. You know?
I'm a curse, I'm a walking curse.
Yeah man, him curse this spot, because normally I would catch fish right here so, and cook, but him not have no good luck. So we not catch no fish.
I told you, I knew it. It's not just me, I affect everything.
Yeah. I feel say if me alone did come still now, I would catch a fish, you know. But Wendall, we not catch no fish.
You know who he's eating now?
Huh?
The sandflies and mosquitoes.
Yeah, the sandfly, them I take care, I deal with him right now because he make we not catch no fish today, people. John no star. But don't say a word. Now stay tuned for the next video. Okay, next video we're gonna catch some fish. Believe it, no man. Watch the process.
Believe it. I won't be here in the next video, so there's going to be a bounty, a seafood platter for you to see.
Yeah, definitely me go catch fish in the next video because him not go there. Alright? So, enough love. Next video.